guy.
You sure do like it. Huh.
This is Calvin's first time in the jumperoo.
Woohoo!
Seems to be
Spin around, little guy.
having a good time.
Is it fun? Spinning you all the way around. Woohoo! Hi, Calvin. So excited he can't figure out how to make it yet. Hi.
Oh, I guess
Hi,
I should
little guy.
keep the camera
There you
on
are.
him.
There you are.
Can you bounce in it?
Say, woohoo! Woohoo! Probably lower it just a little tiny bit.
Do you want me to help or you got it? You sure are cute.
He likes it. Is this a fun one?
Ooh.
This is a good idea? The best toy yet? Just hang out in it all day. Yeah. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Go bouncy, 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 bouncy.
Gotta learn how to kick those legs.
Yeah, you can do that. There we go. Get your pants down. There we go.
Oh.
No more. No. No. That don't sound good.
What are you doing?
Got a weird burp hiccup. Are you gonna be okay? You gonna be okay, little guy? Woo! Are you gonna be okay? What?
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Hi, Calvin, man.
Ooh, spin around.
A little bit more. There you go. Hi, little guy.
What did you think about that?
Hi. It's tricky. It's a tricky one. What the? Calvin,
Okay.
say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye.